What is your name?
My name is Firuza. What's your name?
My name is Nanya.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Uzbekistan, but currently I'm living in Russia.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books and cooking. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are dancing, singing, playing, and reading books.
Okay.
And how old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
Okay. Do you have any playground in your school?
Repeat please your question.
Do you have any playground in your school?
Yes.
How many playgrounds do you have in your school?
7 programs.
Not
I
program.
have.
Wait, Firoza. Playground. Playground. Pronunciation. Not a program. How many program do you have? Playground. Speak correctly.
I said playground.
But I think
Yes.
she couldn't hear you. Once again. Can you say once again?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. How many playgrounds do you have in your school?
I have 2 playgrounds in my school.
Okay.
Not okay. How is she telling? Okay.
How many students are in your class?
20 students in my class.
Now you ask me questions.
What's your name?
My name is Nanya.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay. Where are you from?
See.
Where are you from?
I'm from India and Uttarakhand.
And
Hobbies.
what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are dancing, singing, reading, and playing.
Okay. Nice to meet you.